Hi everyone, welcome back together. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD screen display with the frame on the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G mobile phone. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap along the edge of the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the cover. Carefully insert a plastic car pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the adhesive is free, gently lift and remove the back cover. Next, verify the SIM tray is out. Next, undo the 15 screws in the mid frame. Next, disconnect the fingerprint button connector. Next, use a plastic car pry tool to create an opening to separate the midframe. Be gentle and work around the edges to free the plastic clips. This process will take time and gently release the midframe from the body. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, remove the faulty LCD screen with the frame. First, remove the parts from the broken screen frame. Next, pull the main flex by disconnecting from both ends. Next, remove the logic board from the frame. First, unplug both antenna heads and then undo the screw to free the logic board from the frame. Next, remove the earpiece speaker. Next, remove the volume button flex. Next, undo the screw holding the charging port board and then free the board with the antennas. Next, remove the vibrator motor. Next, remove the battery from the body. Now, all components are removed from the broken screen frame. When selecting a replacement screen, you'll find several types on the market. The most common and reliable option is the original service pack screen, which includes the frame and all components. Another option is the original screen without the frame, but installation is more complex and time consuming, and durability may be a question. You'll also find refurbished, used, and aftermarket screens available both with and without the frame. For a durable repair process, I recommend choosing a screen that comes with the frame and installed components, whether it's original, refurbished, used, or aftermarket. This option is widely available and greatly simplifies the installation. Next, on the new screen frame, begin reinstalling the removed components. First, place and secure the battery. Next, secure the volume flex. Next, secure the ear speaker. And then place the logic board on the frame and secure it by adding the screw. Next, place the vibrator motor. Next, place the charging port board with the antennas and secure it by adding the screw. Next, connect both antenna heads to the logic board. And finally, secure the main flex. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, place the mid frame and secure the fingerprint button connector. And then insert the SIM tray. Next, secure the frame by adding 15 screws. Verify all the mid-frame clips are properly fastened before inserting the screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, secure the rear cover to the body using bonding clips. If bonding clips are not available, you can use rubber bands to apply even pressure. Leave them for some time to ensure proper bonding. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.